How proficient are you in Java? And what are your learning goals? Regardless of your current level and aspirations, this guide can help you chart your journey toward Java mastery. Just like any other journey, learning Java requires a well-drawn roadmap. It's about understanding the terrain, knowing your milestones, and consistently moving forward. It's about leveraging a structured approach to learning and ensuring you practice consistently. So, are you ready for this adventure? Join us as we break down the roadmap to Java mastery. Ready? Let's dive in. Begin your journey with a strong foundation in Java's fundamental concepts. Start by understanding the basics: variables, data types, and simple operators. Get comfortable with control structures like if statements and loops. These are the building blocks of any program you'll write. Next, dip your toes into the world of object-oriented programming, or OOP, which is a cornerstone of Java. Now, let's set up your development environment. Install the Java Development Kit, also known as the JDK, and choose an Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. Eclipse, IntelliJ, and Visual Studio Code are all great options. Once you're set up, start writing simple programs to reinforce your understanding of these concepts. Experiment with console-based applications, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Then delve deeper into OOP. Understand classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Practice creating and using classes. Lastly, explore Java's standard libraries and common data structures like arrays, lists, and maps. Once you've grasped these beginner concepts, it's time to move on to the intermediate level. Ready to level up your Java skills? Let's tackle the intermediate level. First off, we delve into exception handling. Getting to grips with exceptions and how to manage them using try-catch blocks is key. It's all about ensuring your program can respond effectively to unforeseen circumstances. Next, we explore file input and output, more commonly known as file I/O. This involves understanding how to read data from files and write data to them, a fundamental skill in programming. Then, it's time to dive into the world of multi-threading, learning how to execute multiple threads simultaneously for efficient program performance. We'll also venture deeper into the collections framework. This involves mastering lists, sets, maps, and iterators, bringing more flexibility and efficiency to your data handling. Finally, we'll learn how to connect Java applications to databases using JDBC, a vital skill for most real-world applications. Remember, practice makes perfect. So make sure you put these concepts into action. Mastered these? Excellent! You're ready for the advanced level. Welcome to the advanced level, where you'll delve into professional Java development. At this stage, you'll be exploring popular Java frameworks like Spring and Hibernate, which are instrumental in building complex applications. Understanding the concepts of dependency injection, inversion of control, and aspect-oriented programming will give your coding prowess a significant boost. Simultaneously, you'll be stepping into the world of Java web development. Technologies like servlets and Java Server Pages, or JSP, will become your new tools. You'll also get acquainted with web frameworks such as Spring MVC, which will greatly simplify your web application development process. Next, you'll learn about building RESTful APIs, or web services, using frameworks like Spring Boot. RESTful APIs are the backbone of modern web and mobile applications, and mastering them will make you a highly sought-after developer. In addition, you'll familiarize yourself with build tools like Maven and Gradle. These tools automate the building and testing of your code, making your development process more efficient and reliable. Lastly, you'll learn about testing frameworks like Junit and Testang. Testing is a critical part of software development, ensuring that your code functions as expected and helping you catch any errors or bugs early on. To truly master these advanced topics, don't just read about them. Get your hands dirty. Write code, build applications, encounter problems, and solve them. That's the best way to learn. Now, let's move on to the mastery level, where you'll polish your skills and become a Java expert. You're at the final stretch, the mastery level. Here, you'll refine your skills and stay updated with the latest in Java. Start by studying common design patterns and understand when and where to apply them. Delve into advanced topics like JVM internals, garbage collection, and performance tuning. These will give you a deeper understanding of Java's inner workings, boosting your proficiency. An essential part of reaching mastery is contributing to open source projects. This provides invaluable real-world experience and allows you to collaborate with other developers. Don't stop there. Continue learning. Stay in tune with the latest Java versions and features. Participate actively in Java communities and forums. Share your insights and learn from others. It's a great way to stay informed and connected. Finally, apply your knowledge by building real-world projects. These projects are not just practical applications of what you've learned, but also a showcase of your skills. Remember, learning Java is a journey. Celebrate each step you take and keep pushing forward. Happy coding!